Hi guys,
You're welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please like this video, subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more videos. I was able to grow out my daughter's hair with this Ayurvedic hair food that you are seeing here. My daughter's hair was very damaged. She was having pores all over her hair. Her edges were really bad. But you see this hair food, it melts directly into the scalp even when it solidifies. That is because I used a little proportion of butter and more nutrients and oils in this hair food. Her edges were so bad, her hair was so bad that you can't even make her hair without it, bringing out pores. So I had to trim her hair down to the lowest. Okay, it was literally bowed. I just had to make her go bowed because of that. And I started applying this hair food with Bhringraj oil from Hair4rest, of course, and the results were mind-blowing. Within 7 days, her hair grew out so fast. This is the image of our 1 week result with this Ayurvedic hair food, and this is just within 4 weeks, guys. Her hair grew so fast that I could even start picking it. Yes, and her edges has come out. As you can see, it is now coming out so full, and this is just within 4 weeks of using this hair food with the Ayurvedic hair growth oil also. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this hair food for yourself and for your kids, so you can try it out and see the results. As you can see, this butter melts directly into the hands. That is exactly what your scalp needs. Your scalp doesn't need heavy butters so that you won't clog the pores of your hair. Okay, so the scalp needs light oils, light applications, light treatments, so you don't close the pores where your hair is going to grow out from. So that is why I used little butter and more oil. So even when it is solidified, I can just touch it on my hands and it will melt directly on my hands without leaving any residue on the scalp. Okay, so you're going to watch this video and see exactly how to prepare this treatment for your scalp, and do not skip the video so you don't miss out on any important details. Let's dive right into the video. Now, these are the Ayurvedics that you would be needing to prepare this hair food, and make sure you follow the right proportion. Don't overuse the butter and don't overuse the oil. Just the right amount is enough for your hair. So the first herb you are seeing is the Bhringraj mix. Is the king of herbs. I love Bhringraj, and this mix has Bhringraj, brahmi, and I think it has a little bit of fenugreek in it also. So this herb is very good for fast hair growth. It thickens the hair also. And the one I'm holding right now has the moringa. It has neem leaf in it, and it also has hibiscus flower. Now the oil has hibiscus, it has rosemary, it has clove, it has black seed, and this right here is my tea tree oil. Okay, very good. It's anti-inflammatory. It stops itchy scalp and all that. It is very good for your scalp. Tea tree is very lovely and it smells nice. And with me it's clove. Okay, that is clove. In anything you're doing, make sure you have clove. Clove is very medicinal for your scalp. Okay, and that's my bowl for mixing. I intentionally picked out these products and ingredients myself because her hair was inflamed. Her scalp was very inflamed, and I needed something that would calm her scalp, soothe her scalp, because her scalp is very sensitive. Whenever her hair is being made, her scalp just gets inflamed, and there are lots of people that also have sensitive scalp. So if you are experiencing itchy scalp, you have pores on your hair whenever you make your hair, this is the best remedy for that. This is so good for the scalp. The moment you make your hair, you braid it up, just apply this hair food to your scalp. Okay, you're going to see a difference. If you experience hair shedding, hair falls, you have pores all over your hair whenever you braid your hair, this is the best. It fights inflammation. It helps your scalp, especially for those that have tender scalp. Okay, this suits your scalp so much because it has rosemary, it has Ayurvedics that stop inflammation. It has tea tree oil. You can also add a little bit of coconut oil because it also has anti-inflammatory properties. So the first herb I put in is my Bhringraj mix that has Bhringraj Amla Fenugreek. Okay, so I just take a spoon of that, and that is enough. And the next is my herbal mix that has moringa, it has neem leaf, and it has rosemary. This is so good. It is so good. Like, these herbs, these mix are so good for the hair. Okay, I can't even explain enough what they do to your hair, but I'm gonna give you a little insight on what these Ayurvedics can do for your hair. So here are the benefits of this Ayurvedics. Bhringraj oil actually promotes hair, okay? It makes your hair grow fast, it strengthens your roots, and it reduces hair falls. It helps to keep your hair healthy, while rosemary, it stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and it encourages thicker hair growth, and it helps reduce thinning. Amla is very rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, okay? It strengthens your hair and it also reduces hair breakage, and it also adds natural shine to your hair, okay? Now the tea tree oil, which is very important, helps clean the scalp. You see why it is important for your scalp. It fights dandruff, it relieves itchiness, and supports a healthy scalp environment. So because I am actually working on the scalp, I am going to be adding a lot of tea tree, more of tea tree, just because I want to see the perfect results, and also it has a lovely smell. So brahmi, it nourishes the hair follicles and it strengthens the weak hair. It reduces hair falls and improves overall hair health. Okay, so fenugreek is also good, and it's rich in protein and nutrients that strengthens the hair. The cloves, which is very vital, it supports healthy hair growth, it strengthens the roots, and it helps improve scalp circulation. Okay, so these Ayurvedics and herbs are very good for your hair. You don't want to miss out on them during your scalp treatment. So I'm going to be adding a little portion of hair butter just to bring in all the goodness, okay? So I can apply it on her hair and also apply it on her scalp. Okay, so you can see the hair butter is just little, okay, just small hair butter, so that it wouldn't clog her pores. Now the oil mix is going to help the butter, melt very easily into the palms. I'm also going to be adding the hair growth oil, because it also has other oils like coconut oil, olive oil, it has castor oil, it has a lot of oils that is also good for fast hair growth and also helps to soothe the scalp. Now that we have that out of the way, all the herbs and oils and goodness are all in this plate, I am going to gently transfer it to my boiling pan, just so I could infuse all the ingredients, let all the goodness come out on low heat, so we don't end up destroying the nutrients in the Ayurvedics. So I'm going to let this steam for a little while, for about 5 minutes, and once it starts steaming, you can gently give it a stir, okay? Just stir it. At some point I had to just bring it down. I didn't even let all the butter melt completely. I just allowed it to melt on low heat, just left it that way because I don't want it to be too hot. So I gently stirred it until everything dissolved properly. You can see it didn't take much time. Now the next thing you will be doing is to sieve out the Ayurvedics, okay? Make sure you sieve it, don't just allow it to solidify that way, so you don't have particles left on your hair and scalp. So you have to sieve out. I am using my Wicca because it is a new one and it also works. It just has the tiniest space, so herbs will not just be leaking out of the sieve, okay? So this works also. If you have a good Wicca, you can just wash it and use it to sieve your herbs and oils. And make sure you sieve while it is still warm, so you don't miss out on any oil or nutrients. Just sieve everything out. So guys, I tried whisking while it was still warm, and I knew it would take me the whole day, so I just had to refrigerate it, and I came back. Look at it, it's much more better. It just took me 20 minutes, okay? And I now decided to whisk it while it is solidified. Now, because this is an Ayurvedic hair growth food, you would want to add your preservative and maybe a glycerin to it. I added glycerin to it and also added my preservative so that the Ayurvedic can last long for me. I can use it for at least 3 months, because there are herbs inside, so I need to preserve it properly. So now I'll be transferring my mix, my hair food, into my little container. Okay, because it is much more easier to apply from this container, and again it is just portable and it's just enough for one use. At least that much will last for 3 months. Now our hair growth food is ready for use. You can see it is very light, it is very lightweight. Look at how it melts into the palm. I love this. This is filled with nutrients for your hair and your scalp. You can also apply that to your hair and scalp. So I'll be gently demonstrating for you guys how I apply this all over my hair. Now it is my go-to for fast hair growth. I installed this protective style a few weeks ago, and I actually made the video showing you guys how I installed it. If you've not seen that video, please go and check it out. In my previous video, you're going to see how I install my protective styles and how I care and maintain them. Okay, so now this is it. You take a little on your palms and apply it to your areas of need where you want to see hair growth. Okay, mine, I love to grow out my edges, and I kid you not, look at my edges. It is growing out so good, and that is because I have been particular about what I apply to my hair and my edges. I made sure I use Ayurvedics at all times, and I'm seeing the results. Guys, I'm going to be showing you the length of my hair in my next video, because we are currently on a hair growth journey, a 6-month hair growth journey, which of course you all are coming along with me. So we're going to grow this hair from now till December and see how far we're going to go with the length and inches. Now I want you to take a good look at my edges. This is to show you that this Ayurvedic hair food works. This hair is just 2 weeks old, and I already have new growth all over my edges and all over my hair. And the product is so good. If you want to get one for yourself, you can click the link in my bio to get a hair food for yourself. You're going to be seeing all Hair4rest Ayurvedic products from the link in the bio. You're going to be seeing the complete set of 7 Ayurvedic products for your hair. We have the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, the moisturizer, dandruff treatment, hair growth mask, Bhringraj Ayurvedic hair growth oil, and the hair growth food, which is also known as our hair growth butter. So if you stayed until the end, I want to say thank you so much for staying. Please like, comment, and let me know the next recipe you would want me to try. You're currently on a 6 months hair growth challenge, and you don't want to be missing out. So join in and let's grow our hair together. Until we see in our next video, love you and bye.